Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use pivot tables in Excel. So first, as you can see, I have a example over here. So now you could just simply go create a new sheet over here down below. So now from here, let's go for the insert tab on the top and go for the pivot table. Now here on the pivot table, just simply select a table or range. So I'm gonna go for the sheet 1, and from here I'm gonna select this table over here. Now you could just simply select OK. Now from here, as you can see, you will have here all of your category. So let's say I want the order ID, and now I want the quantity as well. So guys, here by default it will be on the values. So to expand this, you could just simply select the order ID and go for the rows. Now from here, you should be able to see the total of the order ID that we have and the sum of quality. Now to make it much more organized, instead of row labels, you could just simply change it over here, order ID. And from here, we should be able to have a much more simpler pivot table into our sheet rather than having the extra stuff. And from here, this is a basic example on how to create a pivot table. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.